Welcome to the world of Crystal Air Systems, where air is life. Crystal Air Systems is one of the leading manufacturer of HVAC equipment committed to create environmentally responsible building solutions that deliver energy performance, reduce power consumption and decreases life cycle costs. Crystal Air Systems are committed to reduce our own impact on global climate change and motivate others to do the same.
The foundation stone of Crystal Air Systems was set in 2006, and since then there was no looking back. The motive was to be the leader in HVAC industry, to cater the emerging demand of industry, not only in India but conquering the rest of the world.
Crystal custom-made air handling units are specially designed to meet the most stringent project specifications for applications such as hospitals, pharmaceuticals, process industries, hospitality, institutions and industry clean rooms.
The basic motto is the world should know about us, and since 2006 we have come a long way, and Crystal Air Systems continuously meeting customer demand with innovative customized design having low energy consumption and lowest installation cost.
The process of manufacturing involves sharing, cutting or sheet cutting, notching, bending, panel fixing, panel puff, aluminium profile cutting, punching, tube straightening or tube cutting, flange making, assembling. All the processes followed at Crystal Air Systems are done under the supervision of highly qualified engineers whose industry knowledge creates a remarkable production with stringent quality checks and maintenance.
Crystal Air Systems believe in manufacturing quality products. The better the quality means more satisfied customer is. We have a wide range of air handling units, air washers, air scrubbers, air distribution products, axial fans. In the end, what we believe is happy and satisfied customer. We are just phone call away.
Crystal Air Handling Units delivers superior performance, highest quality and reliability, customized designs, lower energy consumption and lower installed costs. Our products are well tested for performance as per the design conditions for longevity, sustainability and durability.
We are one of the leading HVAC equipment manufacturers. Our experience and expertise in design, commissioning and maintaining HVAC systems not only gives complete solutions, it also gives complete efficiency and peace of mind.
Crystal has practice of combining customer needs, engineering expertise, advanced technology and cutting-edge innovation to provide superior product and systems that deliver exceptional performance. Crystal carries the legacy of best manufacturing practices with stringent quality control, safety and accuracy.
Crystal Air System is a great company to work with. It has a great team, and the best part is here we work like a family.
Crystal Air System is the best organization to grow with. From the time of my joining till now, I have learned a lot and have grown as an individual as well as professional.
Readily adaptable with the customer's demand, Crystal has a long list of satisfied customers in every sector. Our clientele speaks the volume of acceptability and reliability. Crystal Air Systems believes in sticking to its motto of integrating air into life by providing the best solutions in air management products that provides fresh and clean air.